Okay, today's project is a leak in the little garden room shed. It's pretty nice for a shed, but it starts down there and you can see evidence of it up to there and right in there. So it has a little plate in here that has a little top on the roof. Now I want to take a couple of tools up there, that and that to begin with. And I want to use a little pad. Now I've oriented, where the ladder is right now is a double roof rafter going up. So there's the little thing there. And that's the prime suspect for the leak. Because as you will see in a minute, there's nothing else that could be, well, unless it's a stupid nail or something. I don't know what you do then. But, well, that's interesting. Now, could water be getting in underneath there and going down this way? Right down this little hump here in the middle is where the water is getting in. Now, as I'm up here, I'm looking at this nail here. That's not set. And that's not set really good. But how does water come up? Unless it's just actually getting in around that nail head. See that? Look at that. Look at how much room there is. There's a lot of room there. Now, do I want to lift that nail out, get some sealant underneath it, underneath this little area in here, and then stick it back down. It's not very old roof, so this is actually wants to be replaced already. We covered up, and I said, well, you know, if re-roof it, put some new roofer on there, new paper all over the whole thing. But what we're going to try right now, I guess, see down there is a gap. Could water be coming down off this, going right in there, somehow going that way. It looks like the roof is slanted away from me. I wish I could see something more conclusive here. Oh, don't tear it. Double roof there. So I'm going to put a little bit of sealant right in that crack now that I just tore. So I guess about the only thing I could do is put a bead of sealant around this and stick it back on there. And just make sure it's nice and snug. Maybe I should take and mark it with a pencil or something where the outside of it is. So I get a big gob of it in there. I have a pencil, I'll do that maybe. Is that marked? Is that showing? Oh, that's showing good enough. So I just scratch a little bit. I've got some window frame sealant. I think it's going to be good as anything in a brown color. So we'll just do that. And then put a little bit of sealant over here, like I said, over there. See if that stops it. It's a little bit in there crooked. It's amazing how quickly this roof has deteriorated. There's another one over there. This is definitely less than 2 years old. So here we go. Go get the sealant.